The Enchanted Forest Adventure, Lily and Whiskers Magical Quest. Once upon a time in a quaint little town, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was a kind and adventurous soul who had an extraordinary bond with her cat, Whiskers. Whiskers wasn't an ordinary cat. He was clever, mischievous, and seemed to understand Lily in a way that no one else did. One sunny morning, Lily discovered a mysterious map tucked away in an old book at the town's dusty library. The map led to the legendary Enchanted Forest, a place whispered about in bedtime stories and believed to hold magical secrets. Lily's eyes sparkled with excitement, and she knew that this was the adventure she had been waiting for. As Lily studied the map, Whiskers leaped onto her lap, his green eyes narrowing in curiosity. Lily grinned. "Whiskers, we're going on an adventure to the Enchanted Forest." The duo set off with a backpack filled with snacks, a compass, and a sense of wonder. The journey was filled with laughter and the rustling of leaves beneath their feet. Whiskers, riding on Lily's shoulder, would occasionally nudge her in the right direction whenever she seemed lost. As they entered the Enchanted Forest, the air shimmered with magic, and the trees seemed to whisper ancient secrets. They encountered talking animals, friendly fairies, and mysterious creatures that greeted them on their path. Whiskers, with his keen senses, often alerted Lily to hidden dangers or guided her away from tricky traps. Their first challenge came in the form of a rickety bridge suspended over a bubbling brook. Lily hesitated, eyeing the swaying planks uncertainly. Whiskers leaped from her shoulder onto the bridge, his tail high, and confidently crossed to the other side. Inspired by her feline friend's bravery, Lily took a deep breath and followed suit, crossing the bridge with determination. Their journey continued, filled with magical encounters and challenges that tested their courage and friendship. Lily and Whiskers faced enchanted puzzles, outsmarted tricky trolls, and even danced under the glow of a mystical moonlight celebration with a group of friendly sprites. As they ventured deeper into the heart of the Enchanted Forest, they discovered the reason behind their quest. A wise old tree revealed that the forest's magic was slowly fading, and only the pure-hearted could rekindle its enchantment. Lily, with Whiskers by her side, embraced the responsibility. With a heartfelt connection between them, Lily and Whiskers gathered rare crystals, sang enchanting songs, and performed acts of kindness to restore the forest's magic. The once dull colours of the forest transformed into vibrant hues, and the air buzzed with a renewed energy. As they bid farewell to the Enchanted Forest, Lily and Whiskers felt a deep sense of accomplishment. The magical beings they had encountered gathered to express their gratitude. The wise old tree bestowed a special blessing upon Lily and Whiskers, ensuring that their bond would forever be a source of strength and magic. With hearts full of joy, Lily and Whiskers returned to their town, their extraordinary adventure etched into the tapestry of their lives. The townsfolk could see the change in Lily, a newfound confidence and a sparkle in her eyes. And as for Whiskers, he continued to be Lily's faithful companion, always ready for the next adventure that awaited them.